Thank you for choosing Community Learning Curriculum for your classroom. Welcome to Rogue Rodent Mystery. Lesson 5, Applying Physics, Studying Force and a Falling Skeleton. To make the most of this lesson, it is recommended that you read your instructor's guide and thoroughly prepare before leading this activity with a group. Before beginning, get familiar with the materials that you will use in this activity. In this lesson, students will understand that forces are pushes and pulls that act on an object. Learn that forces can have different strengths and directions. Learn that forces acting on an object can speed up, slow down, or change the direction of the object's motion. Make a connection between the direction of the force and the resulting movement of the object, and learn that when two objects collide, both objects experience the force of the other object and can change motion. Activity 1. Falling Skeletons. Give your students some time to get familiar with the miniature skeleton models used in this activity, exploring how it moves, balances, stands, and falls. Place the skeleton in the middle of the work area with the directional stickers in the appropriate places around the model. Each sticker needs to be about 12 inches away from the skeleton. Students will start with the ball on a sticker and roll it towards the skeleton. Students will need to find the falling skeleton data pages in their books. They will use the key at the bottom to note what color crayon is for their prediction and what color will reflect what actually happens. Using the prediction crayon color, students should mark which way they think the skeleton will fall. Then they will roll the ball and use the other crayon color to log what actually happens to the skeleton. Activity 2. Forces at the crime scene. Revisit the crime scene map with your students and note the position of the fallen model skeleton. Using their new knowledge of forces, ask your students to determine which way they think the person who took Alice was moving when he or she bumped into the skeleton. Look at the map of Cavia Elementary. Use the alibis from Lesson 4 to determine which entrance to Mrs. Hawkins's classroom was most likely used by each suspect. Finally, based on your class findings, decide which suspect's position at the time Alice went missing makes him or her look guilty. Record your thoughts on the Whodunit page. Thank you for watching Rogue Rodent Mystery Lesson 5. For any further questions, please consult our website.